Hi, and welcome to this video about the overhand knot. The overhand knot can be seen in two different versions. One as a stopper knot, which we will get to in a minute, and the other one seen here. The one seen here is mostly used as a starting point or part of other knots, such as the reef knot or square knot. So that would be a square knot. We will look closer at the square knot in another video. This first version can also be viewed as a half hitch. So this is a half hitch. So let's start with tying this. You start with one end, then you put the other one over, crossing it. You take the lower end above or under, or you take the upper end under and over, like so. So once again, crossing the under end over and under, or you take the upper end under and over. So that's how you tie it. Now, let's take a look at the other version. This one is done as a stopper knot. A stopper knot is a knot that stops the rope from pulling through something. For example, a pulley. So if you have a rope in this, you wouldn't want it to slide out, so you make a stopper knot. So let's tie it, and then we talk more about the properties of this version. First, you make a loop, like so. Then you take the working end. If it's above here, you take it and you go under and up. So under and up. Or if you make a loop where the working end is below, this is the working end. You take it above and through. And if we make this a little bit larger, we can see that it really is the same knot. As a stopper knot, this is quick and simple. It tends, however, if you pull it really tight, it tends to be really hard to get out again. So you have to struggle a bit. It also have these two really sharp bends here, which will make the rope weaker. So if you want to use a stopper knot, I would advise on using the figure of 8 instead, like that. You can also make a loop with the overhand knot. So if you start, but then you have to double up, and then you just tie a loop and through, you get a loop. However, for the same reasons as before, it pulls really tight, and also you put a lot of strain on these parts, so it breaks more easily than other better loop knots. You can also tie it with a bite. So a bite is when you don't pull the rope through properly, or in another way we can say as well. So instead of going with the entire working end through like that, you just go through with a bite like this, like that, and then you get a noose, basically. Very simple noose. So okay, thank you for watching, and I see you in another knotting video here at Knots and Ropes.